Welcome to your favorite entertainment and lifestyle show. I'm your host, Michaela Leeanna, and for the next half an hour, we're bringing you the latest in entertainment. Your Pree Dis journey starts right now. Jerk dishes, so mouth-watering. It all went down at the Grace Jamaican Jerk Festival in Miami. We were there for the highlights, so check it out.
A massive crowd, good vibes, great entertainment for the young and the old, and of course, delicious jerk dishes. It all went down at the 2015 Grace Jamaican Jerk Festival held in Fort Lauderdale last weekend. Held at the Markham Park, the event promoted clean fun and entertainment for the entire family.
Have no fear! Ice cold beer, man, is right here! Ice cold beer!
For those wanting to experience a taste of traditional Jamaican culture, the Western Union Cultural Stage was the place to be.
All your writings are super duper fly. Most people suffer cause they never express their heart's desire.
To the dance about everybody a bounce. Dance we a dance 4 weeks at the month. Boom, boom, bounce. Boom, 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 boom. That's it! Good day, actually, boom.
The public celebrity cook-off was interesting, with chefs preparing various dishes, but former beauty queens Casey Fennell and of course Brittany Lyons turned up the heat in a massive showdown inside the kitchen. Casey eventually won the battle.
Was stiff competition, you know. Speaking of Brittany, I was like, oh my god, what is she doing? And trying to figure it out, but you know, just hold forward, know that he can do it. I just did my thing. When I brought in Fosca oats, what I can do with Fosca oats, I was like, oh my god. Pickles. I was having a little meltdown inside, but you know, composed on the outside and just delivered. So I did a vegetable medley, like a stir fry. I had red cabbage, I had zucchini, I had carrots, and I did pickles in the mix. I never have pickles outside of in a burger or by itself. So I said, Lord Jesus, make this work.
The Fusion Soundstage showcased up and coming talent.
The crowd, the atmosphere and the vibes overall is not like I've ever experienced before. This is not my first time out performing outside of Jamaica, but it's my first time performing in Miami, in Florida. So this was good. The people, a lot of people might not have known some of the songs that I was a singer. So as soon as they found out they were paying attention, they're singing, but I would have missed you, bad. And it was really nice. I mean, can't ask for nothing more than that.
Experience was live. The people have really loved the original music, you know, and we came here, we did our thing. And just can't complain. We love it, man. We love the people, you know. We love the response.
Later on, the Fusion Soundstage became the hot zone and blazed with various DJs working up a sweat with hits from yesteryear, which the crowd thoroughly enjoyed.
You have no place for me.
We're about to play some grown people music. Grown people music.
If ever one of them speak out, again you got to be from the heart's looking, from the brain is saying you're
what kind of life?
another sweet life. Again you got to be
I want you to rock side to side. Rock side, side, side.
Reggae band Third World had a display booth selling merchandise, CDs, posters, t-shirts, and various memorabilia. Kimberly Lou Lim of Grace Foods International spoke about her company's continued support of the Grace Jamaican Jerk Festival.
Why do you guys do this event every year?
Why? I mean, that's an essay. There's so many reasons. I mean, one of the major reasons is to sort of give back to our consumers. You know, it's to bring to them what we know they love in their community. It's great food to good people, and we get our vendors or restaurants a chance to expose themselves. You know, a lot of them use Grace Jerk seasoning, Grace Jerk products, and it's just really a good way to bring our community together, and that's what we're about. Behind me, you have them prepping for another round of Chef Jones, who will be demonstrating great ways to use our products, our seasoning sauces and spices, our coconut products. We just had a jerk aioli burger. It was wonderful. I just had some. And then we have the public cook-off as well, where we have Casey Fennell going up against Brittany Lyons. You know, both Miss Universe and Miss Jamaica, and they're just displaying their talents using Grace Jerk products as well. So we have a lot of ways that we show people how to cook with Grace, how to bring it into your modern day kitchen, and you know, especially here where they have a lot of different things that they can cook with, a lot of different vegetables and fruits, bring it into what they know in their setting. So this whole event is just bringing Caribbean culture to people to have them experience it. Yeah.
Senior Vice President at Grace Foods, David Record, spoke about the company's thrust in capturing the diaspora market.
We have a wonderful production team with Eddie Edwards and his people. And then on the Grace side, we have some excellent people who have made it every year. And we keep improving on the production, and that is really just great. Grace is the heart and soul of many Jamaicans. If you think about it, what really we hearten for at home that we can't really get half of the time is our food. And as you and I know, Grace is an important part of every Jamaican in terms of from the day that you grew up until now. So for us, getting to that consumer and giving them some of what they actually need is so important to us.
Performer Christopher Martin was really good.
Wonderful event. It's always nice to see all the people from different parts of the diaspora come out and enjoy reggae music, you know what I mean? And I love to sing, you know that already, so that's the mere chance to get the ability to be on the stage and perform for the people. Some people who never seen me perform before, some people not seen me for years, you understand? For those people who can't travel back to Jamaica, you know what I mean? This is where they can get to come and watch reggae music and watch people from their island perform. And it was a wonderful stage, man. The setup, everything is wonderful, so we give thanks, man.
Barrington Levy is certainly in a class by himself. Gentleman from Germany won a new set of fans.
It was beautiful, man, beautiful. First I thought like, well, it's kind of unorthodox that, you know, everybody have their chairs and eat food and you're on stage. But then the ice melt and it was beautiful because the people embraced the music, you know, and they were singing along the lyrics and light at the turn up and, you know, wonderful vibes, man. So it was beautiful, man, because Jamaican people are very honest people and very real, you know. So if you get the love, then it's very, very intense.
With AJ Brown as the new lead vocalist, Third World delivered the hits they're known for. Patrons gave the Grace Jamaican Jerk Festival high marks.
What do you like about the event? Why you keep coming back?
The food, the entertainment, everything.
What are you having today?
Jerk chicken and festival.
How is it?
Good.
Your first time to the Grace Jamaican Jerk Festival?
Yes, sir.
First time. How's it going for you?
It's going pretty good.
Yeah. How you heard about it though?
I was invited by a friend.
Hi, how are you?
Good.
Where are you from?
Clarendon, Jamaica.
How long have you been living here in Florida?
30 odd years.
Your first time to the Grace Jamaican Jerk Festival?
No, sir. I've been here since the beginning.
How you think the event has evolved?
Well, it has improved greatly because I see they have lots more stall going down the way and everything is good.
But what keeps you coming back every year though?
Music, the people, the food, everything.
What are you having today?
I'm having jerk crab from somebody's vendor. I'm sorry, I don't know who it is, but it's good. My very first time. I've lived here for so long and I'm finally made it.
What brought you out here today?
I think I was off of work finally on a Sunday where I can make it out. So it worked out.
I'm from California. Yeah.
What brought you to the Grace Jamaican Jerk Festival today?
My friend right here, who's eating the crabs.
What did you have?
I had jerk shrimp pasta.
And how was it?
It was amazing. It was really good.
What do you think of the event overall so far?
I think it's a lot of fun. There's a lot of good food, and I can't wait to eat more.
Jerk Festival, and you're having a snow cone? Talk to me about that.
I already had my jerk, so this is my dessert now. This is my reward.
What you had today?
I had some jerk fish and some escovitch fish and festival, of course, so it was good.
Your first time to the Grace Jamaican Jerk Festival?
Yes, and I'm loving it.
How do you know about the festival?
I heard it from a friend of mine.
After all the hard work, promoter Eddie Edwards reminisced about the event.
This one was just a lot of hard work, organizing, you know, and I've got to thank my dedicated team because they've been just, for months and months, they've really, you know, we pulled it off, so I'm happy for that.
After all these years, how has the event evolved?
Well, you know what? People keep telling me that it's better and better, and I mean, we work hard, we promise folks a better experience this year, and from all indications, I think the feedback is everyone had a good time. So each year we just strive to improve on the areas that are weak and make the product better. Our aim is to try to please a wide audience. So we'd go for an international act. This year was Third World. We go for an old school, Barrington Levy. We go for one upcoming, Chris Martin. And then we use some local South Florida acts that would spread the dub. We had Zeke Dan, and we opened with a local gospel segment. We had gentlemen from Germany, compliments of VP Records, we thank them for that. And you know, a lot of times people focus on just the main stage, but for us, for example, the Battle of the Beauties with Casey Fennell and Brittany Lyons, both beauties from Jamaica, trading their crowns for aprons in the public's Cookoff. That to me was something special, and a number of top chefs that did their demonstrations and competition. That too is a very integral part of this festival. If you come to the Grace Jamaican Jerk Festival, no matter what age you are, you're going to be entertained, you're going to have fun.
After all that jerk, it's time for our first commercial break. There's a lot more coming up, so stay tuned. We'll be right back.